Install AI in a few steps. Open Terminal app. Install Xcode command line tools. Install Homebrew. Copy the script and paste in terminal, then hit enter. Input your computer password and hit enter. Run these 3 lines of code. Restart terminal. Now check if Brew is working. Next, install Ollama, which will run our LLM. Start the service. Pop-up show that it's running. Go to ollama.com to choose which model to run. Let's install Llama 3.2. Just run the command, Ollama run Llama 3.2. Let's say hello to our locally installed AI. To exit, just press Ctrl D. Turn off Ollama service to clear up RAM.